Ever wondered, as you scroll through those sleek StashAway portfolios, who's actually pulling the strings? Who's behind the algorithms, the rebalancing, and the overall vision of this popular digital wealth manager? You're not alone. In a world where financial technology is rapidly reshaping how we invest, knowing who's at the helm is more important than ever. We've all seen the ads, the simplified explanations, the promises of effortless investing. But behind the user-friendly interface and the sophisticated technology, there's a team, a company, and ultimately, ownership. And that's what we're diving into today. Before we get to the specifics, let's just recap what StashAway is. It's a digital wealth management platform that uses sophisticated algorithms and economic regime-based asset allocation to build personalized portfolios for its users. Essentially, it aims to democratize access to sophisticated investment strategies, making them available to everyone, regardless of their investment knowledge or experience. Now, when we talk about ownership, we're not just looking at a single name. It's a complex structure, often involving founders, venture capitalists, and other stakeholders. So, let's break it down. StashAway was founded in 2016 by Michelle Ferrario, Nino Olsamer, and Freddie Lim. These three individuals are the core of the company's origin story. Michelle Ferrario, the CEO, brought his experience from Zalora and Rocket Internet, bringing a strong background in building and scaling businesses. Nino Olsamer, the CTO, provided the technological expertise, crucial for developing the platform's algorithms and infrastructure. Freddie Lim, the CIO, brought the financial acumen, ensuring the investment strategies were sound and effective. So, the founders are a vital part of the ownership picture. But what about the funding? Like many tech startups, StashAway has relied on venture capital to fuel its growth. Over the years, they've secured multiple rounds of funding from various investors. These investors play a significant role in the company's development and, by extension, its ownership. Key investors include names like Sequoia Capital, a well-known venture capital firm with a track record of backing successful tech companies. They've also received funding from 8 Roads Ventures, a global venture capital firm backed by Fidelity International. These investments have allowed StashAway to expand its operations, enhance its technology, and reach a wider audience. It's important to understand that when venture capital firms invest, they typically receive equity in the company. This means they become part owners, sharing in the company's success and having a say in its direction. This is why the ownership of a company like StashAway isn't solely attributed to the founders. It's a blend of the founders' vision and the investors' support. Furthermore, as a regulated financial institution, StashAway operates under the scrutiny of financial authorities in the regions where it operates. This regulatory oversight ensures that the company adheres to strict standards and protects its customers' interests. While regulators don't own the company, they play a crucial role in shaping its operations and governance. In essence, StashAway's ownership is a multifaceted structure. It's built on the vision and expertise of its founders, the financial backing of venture capital firms, and the regulatory oversight of financial authorities. This combination of factors contributes to the company's growth and stability. Understanding this ownership structure is important because it gives you a clearer picture of who's behind the platform you're entrusting your investments to. It's not just an app, it's a company with a team, investors, and regulatory obligations. So, to answer the initial question, who owns StashAway? It's a combination of the founders, Michelle Ferrario, Nino Olsamer, and Freddie Lim, alongside their venture capital investors like Sequoia Capital and 8 Roads Ventures. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.